How to create command history logs in AutoCAD. Solution. This feature is controlled by LOGFILEON command. By default log file creation is off. But by the help of this command you can create a command's execution logs. When you start the application it write the contents of used commands into a text file. And when you exit the application it stops to write the contents in text file. You can turn off the log creation by the help of LOGFILEOFF command. You can also control it creation by options command and LOGFILEMODE system variable. The log file are created under C drive Autodesk folder. See how it works. First draw a circle in this file. Go to log file creation folder. Here you can see that no log file is created as by default it's off. Run LOGFILEON command to enable logs creation. Now draw some objects in drawing. Like polyline rectangle circle. Here you can see now log file are created for all opened files. Open test1 log file where we have drawn objects. In this log file you can see all the commands name which we have used in test1 drawing. In test2 drawing draw some objects. Like rectangle and add hatch inside the rectangle. Draw one intersecting line over the hatch. Run trim command to cut the unnecessary line. Go to log file creation folder. Open test2 log file where we have drawn objects. In this log file you can see all the commands name which we have used in test2 drawing. Like hatch line and trim. In test3 drawing draw some objects. Like polyline rectangle circle. Run block command and make a block for all the objects. Go to log file creation folder. Open test3 log file. In this log file you can see all the commands name which we have used in test3 drawing. Like polyline circle rectangle and block. Now we see through options command. Run options command. Go to open and save tab. Here you can see maintain log file option is checked. Uncheck this option. Now draw some objects. Go to log file creation folder. Open test4 log file. Here you can see circle command is not listed as we have turned off the creation. Run Options command and again turn on this option. Draw some objects, like rectangle, circle. Go to log file creation folder. Open test4 log file. Here you can see rectangle and circle commands are listed now as we have run on the creation. Now we see through log file mode system variable. Run log file mode and change its value to 0 to turn off the creation of command history in logs. Draw some objects. Go to log file creation folder. Open test5 log file where we have drawn object in drawing. Here you can see arc command is not listed as log file mode value is 0. Draw some more objects in drawing. Like rectangle, polygon. Go to log file creation folder. Open test5 log file. Here you can see rectangle, polygon commands are not listed. Now run log file mode and change its value to 1. Draw some objects. Go to log file creation folder. Open test5 log file. Here you can see circle command is listed now as log file mode value is 1. So by the help of this you can turn on and turn off command history logs. Thanks for watching.